Hey guys, how you doing? It's Rob Dogs on Rob Dogs Vlogs. To sum off this episode, we do something a little bit different this time. We obviously prepare for fishing and we do the usual fishing, but I seen a black cockatoo in the distance. And I don't know if you guys have ever heard of the saying that when a black cockatoo is flying over, that means the rain is coming. Sure enough, it started raining. After it stopped raining, I seen a beautiful rainbow in the distance. I chased the pot of gold, and let me tell you, there was no gold at the end. You know, you guys see like a semicircle when you're looking at a rainbow? Well, when you got an eagle eye vision, it's a full circle. So I filmed the rainbow, and then I went to the local river. I caught a carp, and then I got the drone up again, and I filmed some local birds. But hey, check this out. These guys are less than 24 hours old. Check out this. Mum's getting pretty protective, so I won't film for long. But I just wanted to show you guys. She's got 2 baby sheep. Get amongst. Alright, let's go get some worms and then we'll go fishing. Oh, look at that big juicy sucker there. It's a big sucker, that one. Ooh. Alright, we got some nice big juicy worms. A little bit of soil there, mate. So there I was packing my car up, putting my bait, my tackle bag and my rods in, and I look over to my right and I see a black cockatoo chilling on the tree. So I got my drone up, I got a little bit closer to him and he started flying away, and I followed him for around 30 seconds to a minute. There are 6 black cockatoos in Australia. The one I seen was a yellow-tailed black cockatoo. To get into a little bit more detail to what I said earlier, so it's when the cockatoos are flying from the hills to the coast, it means the rain is on the way. And sure enough, 40 minutes after I filmed him, the rain come down. And just as I'm about to go fishing, bloody hell. And then it cleared up. So I got my drone up again because I seen a beautiful rainbow in the distance. It was actually a double rainbow. Some people might ask, what is a rainbow and how do they form? Rainbows are formed when light from the sun is scattered by water droplets, example raindrops or fog, throughout a process called refraction. Refraction occurs when the light from the sun changes direction when passing through a medium denser than air, such as a raindrop. Got a bit of sunshine finally, but I don't know how long we're gonna have this sunshine for. So, gonna make a quick coffee, quick feed, and then we'll go down the road and see if we can catch something. But it's like 4 o'clock now, so I have about 2 hours and then the rain's gonna hit again. So let's go, quick. Okay, now we've got 2 rods in. We play the waiting game. We sit there and drink coffee while we wait. So after getting some footage of a black cockatoo, I seen some birds in the distance on the tree in the water, so I was like, stuff it. I'll get my drone up again, I'll see how close I can get to them. I've seen a couple ducks and I've seen a few of them water birds. So wherever the birds are fishing for fish, it means there's fish for us. They're probably just a bit smaller though. I fished here once before. Last time I came here there was 2 big logs and I caught an eel and I had to get it over both the logs before I got it up, and I lost it right here and it got all tangled in those grassy bits just there. I'm on. I've got to try and get it over. I'm on. I've got to try and get it over that log. It feels really light. Oh, Bloody hell. I hate catching eels. You see down here all the debris and all the sticks, it all gets caught up, so you get plenty of snags. You got to find a better spot, but this is the only spot I could get to, considering it was raining and I was just trying to be real quick and just chuck a line in. Alright, we got a carp. Got a bloody carp. Bloody carps. Oh. Alright, we got a fish. It's only a carp, but it's still a fish. Got you real good, didn't it? Oh! Alright. We got ourselves a carp. Let's see how long he is. He is 440 long. I'm sure you guys know that carp are a pest, so I'll put him out of his misery and we'll go again. What are you doing, you crazy girl? What are you doing, you crazy little whooper? So as a kid, I did most of my fishing freshwater down near Canberra, Yasway. We had a property, one of my dad's mates. We used to go camping, fishing, ride motorbikes there, a bit of hunting and all that sort of stuff. All I ever used to do was catch freshwater fish, golden perch, carp, silver perch, the odd Murray cod, catch a few redfin. But yeah, lately I've been doing a lot of saltwater fishing, man. I've been realising, I think saltwater fishing's a go. Freshwater's cool, definitely cool, but you get a lot more snags, and yeah, obviously it depends where you're going, but I like beach fishing, no snags. All you get here is, you know, get a few carp. If you're lucky, you'll get an estuary perch, get some eels, all that sort of shit. Alright, that's the carp we caught. See the little red in his tail? It's just starting to sprinkle on my face and the rain's just about to come. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Get amongst.